another day at the gym, about to get leg day workout, so doing what it do, alright? What's up, guys? Leaving the gym, had a good workout. Today was leg day. Set y'all up right. Sorry about that, guys. Today was leg day and what else? Abs. I definitely targeted the abs. Tomorrow I'm gonna be feeling pain. So far I've been sore the past couple of days, so obviously the results are coming in. Or I'm getting gains, whatever you want to call it. Ugh, I just heard a sound in my car. I don't like it. It is what it is. Yeah, man. So far things at the shop been slow. I was looking at numbers today, what was it, yesterday, last night, and yeah, things are definitely at a steady pace. Things are, I would say things are back to normal for business. I mean, granted, you know, COVID hit and it was rough, so things are still, they're getting rougher, like, so it's crazy, but you know, we still grinding. You never give up. Keep promoting, keep doing what you need to, keep taking the necessary steps towards building the brand, what the store represents, Hillside Customs, and getting in everybody's faces, you know what I mean? Letting them know what services we provide, how we can help them build their business, their brands, their company, you know? So that's where we at with that. Today, going into the shop, there's a lot of stuff I want to do. So I guess moments like this, you have two options. You can either focus on all the stuff you haven't done and wanted to do, or you could focus on coming up with new ideas. You could focus on marketing. You could focus on figuring out your statistics. You could focus on retargeting old customers. So we have so many options that we should not be busy. Does that make sense? Yeah. But we'll see what we do today. We do have pending orders, and I mean, at this point, because of COVID, even with our vendors, it's difficult to get inventory. They're probably either backed up or out of stock. Whatever the issues are, it's affecting us. And it's good to experience this to understand that, you know, our business is created off several pieces of the puzzle. So it's like we get shipments from Cali, we get shipments from New Jersey, wherever we get shipments from, they play a vital part. So we need to say thank you. I mean, granted, you know, they're a multi-billion-dollar business sometimes. It might be multi-million, not billion. Billion is the Amazons and stuff like that. But they're doing what they need to do, and someday we hope to get there. If ever, you know, the goal is to be happy at what we're doing. So that's what we're still trying to determine, me and my partner, like what will make, at least I don't know, I can't speak for him, I guess, but for me, what will make me happy? Will having millions of dollars make me happy? Probably not. But being comfortable, understanding I could do whatever I want when I want, not having the obligation to go somewhere because I'm forced to go there for a check, you know what I mean? At the end of the day too, if I want results, I still gotta work hard. That's the biggest part of the picture. I still gotta put in the hours. I still gotta do the research. I still gotta work, you know? But gotta do what you gotta do, man. Keep your head sane and move forward. Take it one day at a time. That's my favorite statement. One day at a time, you know, one step at a time. Like, it takes time, patience. Like right now, I have some stuff I'm working on. I'm excited for it to blow, but when it does blow, like, what's next? You know what I mean? So I really need the patience so I could come out with my next plans and my next ideas and my next thought process and whatever. Because it's like, let's just say something blows and then I'm on top of my world. What does that really mean? Who am I gonna bring with me? Like, who am I gonna trust? You gotta build all that, you know what I mean? So sometimes it's better that you don't blow fast. Take the steps. You know, take the steps, plant them seeds and all that stuff. And then when you get there, you just get there in stride and you get there with happiness. And like I said, it's not all about money, but the world sells this money dream, so everybody's in it. Everybody's mind screwed, which including me, you know. Gotta get this money, but get this money. I know, contradiction, blah, blah. You figure it out, man, you figure it out. I'm here to try to brainstorm with you guys. I never feel like I have the answers. I have my answers. I have my beliefs. And that's just what it is. And while I have my beliefs, there's definitely certain things I just believe in, and there's definitely things I just like, you know, I can be swayed to understand how someone how they feel about a certain scenario. So got options, man. Do what you do, man. Anyways, hoping y'all having a good day. I'ma holla at y'all. Sun light, cucumbers, strawberries, and blueberries. They right. You know? If you know, you know. Apples. What they look like. Obviously, I don't got no before and after, but you need this in your life, man. Sweet. Computer lock.
Time to crash is off charger?
It was on the charger.
On the charger.
So the charger's supposed to be charging it, but it dies. Yeah.
So I'm going to run a quick hardware diagnostic, start helping her out, and then once that finishes running, we can figure out what's going on.
Okay. So I'm at computer lock, getting my computer fixed. Or not fixed, but troubleshooted, because like I told y'all earlier, the battery was messing up, so trying to see what the problem is. And I had the appointment scheduled today, so I'm gonna get it checked and see what's going on.
So it doesn't seem like the charger isn't actually charging, or you might not notice that it's not charging and then the battery dies, which leaves really just the logic board as the option. For this machine, that part is...
So does that mean that part technically doesn't need to be fixed, and it could be, or that's
So
what it is?
Do you have a backup of like a time machine backup of all your data?
Yes and no. I mean,
because the first thing that I might do, because I don't see any damage here, would be to
reboot everything.
Yeah, wipe it, install a fresh operating system, reinstall the software, and migrate the data back in, just in case it's some weird software setting that has caused this to happen. But if that is not the case, then it is most likely the logic board.
Okay. So I guess what would that be?
That is $676 for the parts, and then $149 additional if you were to need us to back up the data for you.
Okay. So what would you recommend? Because it's a lot of money.
Yeah. I mean, it's only a 2018 machine, so you know and it's not as well. I take that back. The 16-inch from the 2019-2020 model is a bit of a step up, but I don't know that it warrants walking away from a machine that's only a year and a half old to spend 4 times the amount of the repair to
get a new
replace
one.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
Especially given that what type you said you run Adobe software,
Adobe
Final
Illustrator,
Cut.
and Final Cut.
Yeah. So I would absolutely try and stay with one of the Intel processor machines, so not going into any of the M1 or even waiting till later this year to get when they release the 14 or 16-inch model, because of that software compatibility. So Final Cut should work just fine on the new processors. plugins that you're using may or may not, if they depending on who they came from.
Gotcha.
So smaller developers.
Something I want to tell you, you don't have to be strong. Whether it's our family, people in our community, or society, people are always expecting us to be strong. Like if you can't do it by yourself, there's something wrong with you. This is a lie.